The 2025 Aprilia Tuono 660 Factory is the epitome of Italian engineering, designed for riders who demand top-tier performance and style. At its heart lies a 659cc parallel twin engine, delivering an impressive 100 horsepower, optimized for both thrilling acceleration and responsive handling. Its lightweight aluminum frame ensures agility, while the fully adjustable suspension, courtesy of premium Öhlins components, guarantees unmatched stability on winding roads or the track. Brembo braking systems provide precise stopping power, enhancing safety and confidence at high speeds. Packed with cutting-edge technology, the Tuono 660 Factory includes a 5-inch TFT display, multiple riding modes, traction control, and cornering ABS. The inclusion of Aprilia's quick shift system offers seamless gear changes, enhancing the overall riding experience. Aesthetically, the bike exudes aggression and elegance with its aerodynamic bodywork, distinctive LED lighting, and bold factory-exclusive color scheme. With its combination of power, precision, and style, the 2025 Aprilia Tuono 660 Factory sets a new standard for the midweight naked motorcycle segment. Ride the future. Ride the Tuono 660 Factory. The 2025 Aprilia Tuono 660 Factory doesn't just elevate the midweight category, it redefines it. Building on the legacy of the Tuono line, this model is crafted for those who crave performance without compromising on versatility. The 659cc DOHC parallel twin engine is derived from Aprilia's RSV4 platform, optimized to deliver linear power and torque across the rev range. With 100 horsepower at its disposal and a dry weight of just 166 kilograms, the Tuono 660 Factory boasts a class-leading power-to-weight ratio. Its advanced ride-by-wire throttle ensures precise control, whether you're attacking tight corners or cruising city streets. For suspension, the bike is equipped with fully adjustable Öhlins units, including a 41mm front fork and a rear monoshock, fine-tuned for sporty dynamics and comfort. A lightweight die-cast aluminum chassis ensures razor-sharp handling, while Brembo's M4.32 radial calipers and 320mm dual front discs deliver unmatched braking performance. The Tuono 660 Factory is also a technological masterpiece. Its Aprilia Performance Ride Control (APRC) system includes traction control, wheelie control, engine braking management, and adjustable engine maps. A 6-axis IMU ensures that these aids are responsive and intuitive, especially during aggressive riding. The inclusion of a quick shifter and auto blipper ensures clutchless upshifts and downshifts, enhancing speed and convenience. Visually, the bike is a head-turner. The factory-exclusive graphics combine sleek, aerodynamic lines with bold colors and matte finishes. Full LED lighting with daytime running lights ensures visibility and style, while the 5-inch TFT display offers customizable layouts to show essential riding data. Beyond the track, the Tuono 660 Factory remains practical. Its upright riding position and adjustable seat height cater to everyday comfort, making it as capable on commutes as it is on spirited weekend rides. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or an emerging rider, the 2025 Aprilia Tuono 660 Factory delivers uncompromising thrills, cutting-edge technology, and undeniable style. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a statement. Take care and subscribe my YouTube channel.